Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to review one of the contact lenses brand. It's called Hanix. It's right over here. They were really kind enough to send me a couple of the shades over here for me to try. So we're gonna go ahead and try this brand today and see how everything is. I have 3 shades over here. It's very difficult for me to find a green color which actually shows up green on my eyes. My natural eye color is not black, it's not dark brown, it's not totally hazel, it's more of like a light brown, semi hazel kind of thing. So it's so hard for me to do a contact lenses shopping because whatever I think it will look, that's not what it looks on my natural eye color. So I have a high hopes from this. So we have a package over here. We have 3 shades and of course some tools and everything to actually apply the contacts. So let's just go ahead in the video and I'll show you what these are, how they look, what shades it is, and deep dive into it. You leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. You have a little tool over here to pick the contacts and also to apply the contacts. Okay, we have 3 shades over here: Hope Gray, Iceland Green, and we also have Bella Green. So these are the 3 shades we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Okay, I do have a discount code for this brand. I will add it in the description below and in my link as well, on my Instagram link and TikTok link if you want to grab it from there. But all the information regarding the brand will be mentioned in the description box below. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you side by side so you can see my natural eye and how it looks on my natural eye. So let's start with the Hope Gray first. I'm hoping that they have, oh thank God, I was like, I'm hoping they have provided me these cases because I couldn't see the case anywhere. So this is how the Hope Gray looks like. Okay, if you can see. And then you pop it up on this part and then just literally slide it in. So very important thing is to understand the diameter of the lens. If you putting the lens a wrong way around, of course that's how it's going to go on your eye too. And if it's not the right way, then you definitely will feel the discomfort and all of that jazz. So I'm going to pop it literally on my thing. Now I'm going to remove, take a mirror, pull it down, pop, and let go. Okay, and there we have it. This is the first one, and this is Hope Gray. So side by side comparison, you can see this side is of course my natural eye, and this is how it looks on top of my natural eye color. Okay, so it's very vibrant. Okay, I never wore any color like this before, so it's definitely giving me a very gray vibe, which is stunning. With the second one, which is Iceland Green, it's looking in the packaging. Okay, but like all the shades I'm trying, they're really standing out on my eyes, like really standing out, which is really hard for me to find because it's just, as I said before, the way my own natural eye is, it's so hard to find me a night green which actually shows up. This one is definitely showing up. And do the last one, which is Bella Green. Okay, whoa, the Bella Green actually looks a little bit like bluishy. Okay, interesting. All right, this is how it looks in the packaging. All right, put my eye down, the lens, let go, let it slide, get it adjusted. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Shade, and this one is Bella Green, a little bit more intense side. I don't know how much I will wear this shade. It's because for me personally, maybe with the right makeup and everything, it will look really nice. But right now, the only thing is standing out on my face is my eyes. If that's the kind of vibe you want and you just want your eyes to stand out without any makeup, just with like a little tint on your lips, this is the kind of color you want to go for, because this is definitely making my eyes stand. But you can see the difference. This is my own eye. This is this is how the color looks on my natural eye color. I do like it, but it is more on an intense side, and because I never worn something like this before, it's gonna take a minute or so for me to just like get used to, but it does look really nice. So far, I have to say, I am very impressed with all three colors. The quality is really good. So far, I'm not feeling any discomfort, any sort of dryness, any sort of itchiness, nothing. And I am very picky. When I say I'm picky with lenses, yes, I'm very picky, because I have extremely, like in world's probably only person with this extremely sensitive eyes. Like the color range is very pretty. Once again, I want to tell you the brand is Hanix. And then I will write down everything in the caption. I will write down the link as well for the discount code. Then you can shop. But so far, they look pretty good. Pretty good. I like it. I don't mind. I don't mind. So if you're looking for a good contact lenses brand, which is more on the affordable side, and you can explore different colors or unique colors, this is the brand probably you want to go for, because so far I'm pretty impressed with it. Let me know which color is you like the most on my skin tone, or which color you will buy in the comments below. And if you have any questions, again, you can ask me. I'm happy to answer all your questions. Okay, love you all. Take care. Bye.